55. Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, and then we buy here for 2 up to 4, and we wait. Yeah, we're gonna trade until we reach 500 or 534, matter of fact. I'm gonna continue trading like that, make $100, and then chill for the rest of the night, right? We may or may not break this video up into different segments, so part 55 might roll on into part 56, 57, 58, and 59. We will see. Yeah, so last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. If RSI and CCI are up, we buy. If they're down, we sell. When you have money, you would be able to trade longer, but when you have a little bit of money, the market adapts and the markets will destroy you. It will literally beat you. Yeah. So if you want to beat the markets, you have to stick between the criteria of just making at least $100 for the day. It's not bad, is it? You spend less time to make more money. That's good. Two loss, so we do 4. 4 loses, then we do 9. If 9 loses, then we do 19. If 19 loses, then we do 41. If 41 loses, then we do 89. Discipline trading. Back to 2 and do it. The last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, 5 seconds. And we buy here for 2. Yep, 4 and do it. I will not yield. I don't care how hard it gets. I will not yield. I will never yield. I don't care how painful it gets. I will not yield. I'm willing to go to hell and back to get what I need from this universe. I will never yield. No matter how scary it gets, no matter how bad it gets, the only thing that can stop me is death. That's if we only refer into the physical plane. Only death can stop me. I will not yield. Not even to death I will yield. Never. I will never yield. I will keep going as far as I can, for as long as I can. I will keep doing what I must to get to where I need to be. It's good. Yeah, and this is what happened to me ultimately. This morning when I was trading, this is what happened. So yeah. Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and then we make a trade. I think it's this what it's 1, 2. Here we'll settle for $5 profits today. I guess we'll do that every day. Just make $5 and then get off the markets. Yeah. Does it scare me? Absolutely it does. Am I gonna stop? Absolutely not. I will just take $5 off this and then leave. I absolutely can do it with $20. Even though I lost 900, I'm not afraid. I'm no longer afraid, you know. So we buy it for two. 2 and 1 is 3. That's 361. This gives you back your $2 plus $1.51, which is good. Sell here for 5. 5 and 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. To get 7 back, we need 9. But since it's only gonna be $3, we could just do 12. If it loses, which I doubt it will. Yeah, and we're gonna just do the trading method with $20. We're gonna make $5 and then we're gonna get off. Yeah? That's one. This is the pain we went through today. This, absolutely. It's fine though. Sell here for 1. We up to 2. And we wait. They said we're going to 25. Yeah, that's our goal for this session. To breach 25. Movements on the markets are not bad, you know. That's good. We're going to the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and then we buy here for 1. We up to 2 and we wait. So as I said, we're gonna stop at 25, yeah? Nothing more, nothing less. I mean, if it's 25 point something, then that's good, but it's still gonna be 25. It's 23. So we go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, 5 minutes on the markets. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. We buy here for 1. We up to 2 and we wait. One more. Yonkai. Stop at 25. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. Sell here for 1. We up to 2 and we wait. This is the trading method over and over and over again. It's coming down or it's going back up. It seems to be going back up, but it looks like it has the strength to come down. I guess I'm wrong. It's okay to be wrong. No? I will not yield. So 2 would give you back your dollar plus 80 cents, which is good. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. And then we would buy for 2. 2 loses and we do 5. This 1 to 5, yeah? Think it's coming back down? We will see. Only time will tell. So loss, that's okay. 2 and 1 is 3. So we make back at 151 here, $1.51. So we buy here for 5. Five, 6, 7, 8. 10 would give you back 8. So we would have to do the whole 16 because we would have just $6.22 after we do 10. Come on, win for me, bro. Let's go. It's a 5 loss, that's fine. Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. Sell here for 16 and we wait. Nice. So we're up 30. That's good. So yeah, infinite trading method, part 55. Like, comment, subscribe. GG.